Hi friends, I just unboxed my Nexus 4, the phone I've been waiting for more than 3 months, and I also purchased a case for the phone which I'm going to unbox right now. I just received this right now, so that's why I'm unboxing this separately rather than with the phone itself. So unboxing the cover. I bought this from flipkart.com, and here's the bill. Keeping that aside, here's the case itself. Inside the cover, it feels a little bit bulky in the hand. As you can see, it's an Amzer Hybrid Protector case. And opening this cover, here's again a cover. Taking this cover off, here is the case, and here's a paper. So here's the cover. It feels bulky. It feels bulky already. And here we have a portion skirt for the camera and the flash and the speaker. And this is a hybrid case. This is more like a rubbery pattern, and this is plasticky. And here we have some pattern for grip, and bumped up portions for the power button, the holes for the 3.5mm jack and the microphone, for the volume rocker, again the grip, the micro USB SIM cable, and the second microphone here. So here is my phone, the Nexus 4. So you can see, let me install this case. It fits into the case without any problem at all. Yes, and it's tight. Okay, it's not really that bulky, and it feels comfortable. It is okay, and it's really good to use. Yes. Yeah, you can. It's not unusable, or it's not irritating. It may hamper with the looks of the phone. It really covers that glittery pattern of the phone behind. But apart from that, this case is brilliant, and it's really on a budget here for 349 rupees. This case is a killer. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like. If you have any inquiries, comment, message me, and if you want to see further details about the phone, about different cases, about the camera, and many other things about the phone, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.